out today. Been hauling hay with this tractor and been hauling it with that old L10 Cummins and that Ford. Been hauling hay with them, and got the old truck stuck over there. Wish I had my camera with me because I'd have got the video up a bit. Trying, pulling it out. The rain's moved in on us. Sort of ain't here. They got a brown looking on top. Just sprayed some stuff on them here the other day, and well, it was yesterday. It kind of burnt the tops on them. I hate on rainy days like this. Comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm gonna get out of here and